Guys, do you want to know how to install DB browser for SQLite database? So this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video I will be showing you how to install DB browser. Also I will be showing you how to use it by creating databases. So let's start the video. So guys, you can open any of your favorite browser and simply search DB browser SQLite download. And herein guys, you can see the search result. Here we have official website, that is sqlitebrowser.org. You need to just click on this downloads link. So guys, it will redirect you to this website, and here you can see we have different downloads available. We have downloads for 32-bit Windows and we have downloads for 64 Windows. So do not install zip file, go for standard installer for 64-bit. So select this third option guys. And herein guys, you can see my download has been started. It will not take much time guys, and it is done. So I'm going to click on this MSI. Let me minimize my browser, and now guys, here I'm going to click on this next button. So it is asking me permission, so I'm going to check mark this and I'm going to click on next button. So guys, along with SQLite, SQL Cipher is also installed, which is used for handling your data in what encrypted format. So whatever data you will be entering, that will be handled in encrypted format. So that is what SQL Cipher. So here we are going to focus on DB browser SQLite. So I want to have shortcut on desktop also. So I'm going to check mark the first option, and second option is already check mark. It will show me in program menu also. So guys, here you need to simply click on next button, and now guys, finally click on this install button. So guys, now here it is asking me permission, so I'm going to click on yes button, and now you can see the installation has been started. It will not take more time, and guys, my installation is done. So here you can see I'm getting this finish button. So guys, here I'm going to simply click on this finish button, and you can see here my DB browser for SQLite has been started. This is a screen where you can import your database, or you can open your database, you can create new database, you can execute queries, browse your database. So here, if you are already having any database, you can just click on this open database, right? So now if you want to create a new database, so you have to click on this new database option, and then you have to select a path where you want to save this database. So here I'm browsing one of the path, and simply I'm going to click on this save button by providing name. So I've given name as testdb. Now here, if you want to create the table, you need to simply click on this create table option, and here you have to provide the details of your table. So just provide your table name. So I'm providing table name as students, and in this table I want few columns to be there. So here we have add option. So just click on this add option and provide the field name or column name. So first column I want to provide ID or roll number. So here I'm providing that, and the type is going to be integer, and I want not null, primary key, auto increment and unique. So I'm selecting all this option. Okay, now I want to have another column, so I'm just clicking on this add button. I'm providing next column name, and here I'm providing data type as text, and I don't want not null, primary key for all this. I can select not null. Okay, rest I can omit, and herein guys, I'm going to click on OK button. You can see the query has been generated, create table query. So just click on OK button guys. So here under table, you can see the table has been created over here with this column, right? Okay, so now to browse the data, you can simply go to this browse data tab, and here from table you select your table name. So here I'm selecting my table name as student, and herein guys, now you can insert the record. So to insert record, you have to simply click on this option. So it is going to create a new empty row. So just enter your value. So here I'm entering few values over here. Again I'm clicking on this, I'm entering few values. You can insert as per your choice. So my record insertion is done. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to execute the query. So here I'm going to click on this execute SQL tab, and here you can write any query whatever you want. So now here I'm writing select star from students and semicolon, and you can see guys it's showing me my data in students table. Now if you want to save this project so that later on you can open the project with the same query, same settings, so you can click on this save project option and provide the name whatever you want. So here I'm clicking save project and I'm saving it at a particular location. So done guys. So guys, this way you can download and install DB browser for SQLite. So you can manage your SQLite database using this software. So I hope guys by following my video you are really able to install this and you are able to use it. So guys, if my video has really helped you, do hit on like button. If you have any query you can put in comment box or you can send me on Instagram also. And guys, you can share my videos to your friend also. And another thing guys, I'm there on different social media. All my social media link I have given in description box. You can join me or you can follow me there. I'm sharing lots of PDF and notes related to CSIT on my Telegram channel. You can certainly join my that channel. Okay, so guys, if you are new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep learning and keep watching guys.